And today we're going to learn the full South Side Strut Line Dance, the hot new line dance of 2023. I'm going to break it down into sections. We'll practice each section until we're comfortable with it, and then we'll put it all together. So let's get started. We'll start with a basic grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just step, cross, step, touch. Step, cross, step, touch, step, cross, step, touch. Keep going. Give it a little flare. Bend your knees. Loosen your hips. And let your arms go where they're happy. Good. Next step is just 4 steps back. 2, 3, 4. And 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we're just going to practice this. Let the hips go. Enjoy it. Now, want to turn into a step touch? Go right ahead. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now the next part, we don't move our legs really. This is more about the upper body, arms, and hips, and giving it a little attitude. So we look to our right, and we do 4 beats of what feels good to us. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the left, the same. 2, 3, 4. Let's practice that. 2, 3, 4. Now my feet aren't stuck in the mud. They're moving. It's just a particular step. Good. Now after that, we're making a box on the floor. So there's front, front, back, back. Step, 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 step. This one is a little faster. Step, 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 step. If you can, use your hips. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. And what are my arms doing? I have no idea. Put on the music. See how it feels. Good. We got that down. Next up, this is a little trickier. It's just a chug step. It's a step forward. My legs are kind of straight. And then I chug it up. Step, chug. Step, chug. Try it on your left. Step, chug. Step, chug. Into the right. Step, chug. Step, chug. Left. Now this is going to go a little faster in the song. Step, chug, step, chug, step, chug, step. Good. Nice. You got it. Here's the very last thing. It's a paddle step 4 to the next wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we start again. Now, if you only have 2 walls, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, boogie, 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 boogie. Then you start into the South Side Strut. Are you ready? We're going to start in 4, 3, 2, 1. Step. Step. Good. One more time on both sides. Good. That's your last one. You step back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step forward. 1, 2, 3. Just stay here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Box. That was a little faster. We do that twice. And then chug on twice on the right, twice on the left. And paddle. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to turn around. 2, ready, go. Good. Got this. Last one, grapevine. And step it back. 2, 3, 4, and forward. 4, and 1, 2,
in my head and I make my first cup when you're still lying in my bed and I kinda like this view. I kinda like waking up next to you.
And twice on the left. And paddle, 2, 3, 4, boogie. Oh, hi.
Now
Go
I'm
in
ready to leave.
Feel it.
I close my eyes again and I pretend to sleep, 'cause I don't wanna let this moment, no, don't wanna let this moment go. With every step you move close from across the room. One more word and it's all over.
Fast on that.
Fall back in.
3, 4,
Stumbling, falling, I'm clumsy, it's true. Foolishly, completely wasted on you. I hope I don't regret what I'm about to do. Wasted on you.
1, 2, 3.
And the days went by and turned to you. And after all this time, we're still here. You and I are still here. Stumbling, falling, clumsy, it's true. Foolishly, completely wasted on you. And after all we've been through, it only takes one look across the room, and I'm wasted on you. Stumbling, falling, clumsy, always wasted on you. Foolish,
How you feeling? You ready for the after two? All right. Feel good. Okay, I'm excited. We're gonna do this fast. So be patient, be kind to yourself, and just do the best that you can. All right, music's coming up quick.
We got this whole town rolling, weekends here, let's get the night going. We're drinking and smoking, can you feel it? Something's about to go off, like a rocket coming in hot. Let's see what you got, can you feel it? I see you over there, popping that booty like you just don't care, making everybody here stop and stare. Girl, you're looking good, so good enough to eat. How about breaking me off a piece? You got everybody here at your feet. It's time to shake them boots. Shake it. Show us what you're working with. Shake it. Baby, don't stop. Shake it. We all wanna see you shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Move it like you mean it. Shake it. That's hot. Shake it. We all wanna see you shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake them boots. Right on. It's time to shake them boots. We love it when you shake them boots. We're all here, so shake them boots. Shake them boots off. DJ's got the crowd on the dance floor. Bars packed, still a line out the door. Don't stop, everybody's wanting more. Raise your hands if you feel me. The music's hot, the beer is ice cold. Night is young and we're not old. Shake, 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 what's not, bro? Raise your hands if you feel me. I see you over there, popping that booty like you just don't care, making everybody here stop and stare. Girl, you're looking good, so good enough to eat. How about breaking me off a piece? You got everybody here at your feet. It's time to shake them boots. Shake it. Show us what you're working with. Shake it. Baby, don't stop. Shake it. We all wanna see you shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Move it like you mean it. Shake it. That's hot. Shake it. We all wanna see you shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake them boots. Right on. It's time to shake them boots. We love it when you shake them boots. We're all here, so shake them boots. Shake them boots off. It's time to shake them boots. We love it when you shake them boots. We're all here, so shake them boots. Shake them boots off. We worked all week and it's finally Friday, so kick them boots off, go out and play. Let your hair down, forget about the work
job. Thank you so much.